Anong oras nga ng gabi? Nabubuhat ko. Oo. Ito na. Iorong niyo pa, iorong niyo.
Hindi.
Iyan.
Ay, gaba.
Hindi ate, baka maano sa inyo eh.
Kaya nga, baka mag-ano.
Baka equal force.
Hindi, okay lang.
Okay lang?
Hindi, pag ganito, pag ganyan mahulog. Mahulog sa akin, kasalanan. Magbayad ka. Easy. 160.
So I actually went home kasi I have 3 hours of vacant time before my next class, which is PE, and I just couldn't wait that long, and marami akong gamit na dala. Like meron yung books ko, yung extra clothes. Hindi ko kayang bitbitin until 3 p.m. Tapos kapag uwian pa, that's PE. Kahit na ibaba ko sa sahig yung yung bag ko, hindi ko kaya. Andito ako, umuwi ako. Nga pala is nag-quiz kami. Yung score ko 6 out of 15. First quiz namin yun sa elective ata namin, which is Life and Works of Rizal. I don't know if it's yun yung elective namin. Pero, 6 over 15. First quiz.
It's very easy. We could finish this as early as possible. You know why? Because we have a lot of activities in this class. So you could easily finish this course of yours. And aside from that, ladies and gentlemen, our program chair is not coming. Sir Daniel, mapanampang kasaway. You know what? I just would like you, ladies and gentlemen, to please set up your mind mindset ba? Yay! Okay. So, aside from that, lakas tama! Jack and magaling din pag Jack and Pine to.
Ang malalim naman. Gusto niya, ayaw niyo. Liwag.
Samantha, si Zay Franzo, si Fizet, tsaka
Warning pa lang, mamaya pa na talaga.
For bronze medal, we have Team Jeremiah.
Pina. Eh! tayo.
Pa-warning naman.
So we're home and this is the end of the day of Tuesday. This is just yun ang sabi nila, may bagyo na naman daw. And if you look at the skies, I don't think we will be the eye of the storm. So we may just expect rain showers and minimal rainstorms.